An authentic Montessori primary classroom for ages 3 to 6 is a bright, spacious place with clean lines and many attractive materials, often made out of wood, porcelain, or glass. It has 4 distinct areas where children work with a wide variety of challenging educational materials. No cheap plastic toys here. This is the practical life area. Observe how the materials are displayed on low shelves. Each material has its place and looks beautiful. In this area, you will see children work independently and with focus on such things as tightening screws, using a dropper, carefully cleaning up little messes. You will also see more advanced multi-step works such as polishing a penny, preparing snacks, or washing a table. This is the sensorial area. Here, children learn to concentrate and observe carefully. They learn to listen to and compare sounds. They refine their taste buds. They solve puzzles such as this trinomial cube, and they sort items by size, color, shape, and texture. In the language area, a range of activities will be out at any time, from simple to more advanced, to engage children of varying ages and abilities. Look for introductory materials, such as metal insets or word building. You will also see more advanced activities, such as working on phonograms, building sentences, and supervised and independent reading.
Top. Win.
In math, younger children may be working with simple materials, such as number rods, numerals and counters, and this tens board. Others will be doing more advanced work, including fractions, multiplication tables, and addition and subtraction into the thousands by kindergarten.
That's right. We bring them all together. 3,452 plus 1,321 equals 4,773. That's right.
You will also see a range of cultural materials, such as puzzle maps with and without labels, and more advanced science materials, such as this one on land and water forms. Notice the big words. Our advanced kindergarten students can progress to reading such passages because of the individualized approach in our classrooms. When you observe in a classroom, make sure you come during the work period, which typically lasts 2 to 3 hours each morning and afternoon. You will see children engaged, focused, working intently and independently on a wide variety of activities. Montessori children typically behave quite nicely. Fighting about materials, running, yelling, all have no place in a well-run Montessori classroom. Great schools require well-trained, dedicated teachers. From the minute students set foot in their classroom, our teachers teach. Here, by showing how to greet someone. Here, by giving a hug and a smile. Here, by helping this boy choose an appropriate activity from the shelves. Our teachers don't lecture. They give careful, measured presentations. Here, watch how deliberately this teacher gives a sandpaper letter lesson. See how she shows the girl how to clean the board, how to trace the letter with her 2 fingers. Observe how she kindly corrects when the little girl makes a mistake. Most interaction is one-on-one, with teachers moving frequently from child to child. Here, a teacher helps with a pink tower. Then she moves on and gives a short one-on-one reading lesson. Next, she might help someone with his movable alphabet. or briefly demonstrate how to safely carry a piece of material. Our teachers have eyes on the back of their heads. Watch how this teacher keeps an eye on her class while giving a lesson to this girl. Maintaining a positive, focused environment with a group of 3 to 6-year-olds takes lots of skill. As you observe, you may see students waiting patiently for their teacher, some even cuddling up to her while they wait. No shoving or shouting, just kind, benevolent interactions. What you will not see is teachers yelling or cajoling. Even at cleanup time, a few kind words are sufficient to get every child ready for the next part of their day. Our students are taught how to do things for themselves, and they truly enjoy doing so. When time comes for a story and a song before lunch, the children come to their circle eagerly, then sit cross-legged and listen actively to their teachers and to their classmates.
My friends.
Teaching never stops. Observe how this teacher encourages eye contact as this girl says goodbye. Watching the children is often the best way to judge a school. Observe how when time comes to start school, a few claps by the teachers are enough to get over 100 3 to 6-year-old preschoolers to line up and calmly walk into their classrooms. You'd think it was magic if you didn't know how hard teachers and students have worked to acquire such self-control. Once in class, students are masters of their own day. They know how to wash hands. They know how to politely greet their teacher, have a short conversation, and then go and select an activity from the shelves. See how this girl takes her materials to her chosen workspace and starts working. Once she has completed her work, she is free to take a break, and she can go and have a snack with her friends. Watch how these students interact kindly and caringly with each other, using utensils and counting out their snacks. Our students enjoy being with each other. In fact, they love to help. Oftentimes, you will find older students showing younger students how to do the activities, and in the process, learning more for themselves. Our students have acquired the self-control to listen to others and to learn from them. They know how to enjoy lunch with their peers. When done with their work, they know how to clean up and do so eagerly. Our little friend here cleans up from the chalkboard activity we observed her working with earlier. Of course, the children also do a lot of meaningful academic work. 4-year-olds may read puzzle words. Older students start on grammar or compose full sentences. A kindergartner may do math into the thousands. Another one may have learned the names and shapes and be able to label all the U.S. states. When students leave a good Montessori classroom at the end of the day, they have learned a lot, both academically and socially. They are joyous, young, eager learners, happy with themselves and others, and get more ready each day for their exciting journey in life.